Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your YouTube channel from scratch the right way, especially if you are a real estate agent or a small business. Let's go. Hey, I'm Nick with Table 19 Media, and today we're going over how to start your YouTube channel from scratch the right way, especially if you are a real estate agent or a small business. And so this first video is going to be a video in a series of videos showing you how to get your YouTube channel up and get it populated with videos and how to use different tools and planning out your uploads. But today I want to show you how just to get started by setting up your YouTube channel and also getting your channel art uploaded, as well as filling in all the little details that people look for when they visit a YouTube channel. So first, let's start by setting up our YouTube channel. We're going to go to youtube.com, and the easiest way is just to go hit this icon right here, the camera with the plus, create video, upload video, and it's going to take you, if you're not already signed in, take you to this sign in page with your Google account. Now, if you do not have a Google account, you can sign up for a Google account right here. If you already have a Google account, then you can go ahead and sign in right here, and we'll go to the next step. I'm already signed in with, I'm going to be creating a new channel for our new brand, the Coastal Local. So I'm already signed in to the Google account we set up. And this little pop-up will start, get started your journey. Okay, so now it's going to take me to this page where instead of using my actual name for the channel account, I actually want to use a custom name. We're going to create the Coastal Local YouTube channel. So I'm going to hit select, use a custom name, and then now choose my channel name, the Coastal Local. And I understand I'm creating a new account, yes, and hit create. All right, once that is created, now it's going to take you to a profile picture upload page where the first step is to upload a picture. If you don't have a logo for your business, you can easily create one with your phone using the app Over or using the app Canva. You can also use Canva on your desktop to create a logo as well, and then from there upload that to this page. Since I'm on my desktop, let's go to canva.com and we will create a simple logo that I can now upload to YouTube. And there's a lot of different templates on the side here. So why don't we pick, let's scroll down here and see if we can find a nice one for the Coastal Local that we can use for right now. Why don't we use this fashion logo right here? We'll double click that. And then type in the Coastal, Local, and why don't we make that, there we go. Okay, and we'll get rid of this down here. And overall, that's not bad. I probably want to make that a little bit bigger. We'll slide that up. And we'll center that. The Coastal Local, all right. Looks good. And from there, we can hit download. And hit download. To our Coastal Local folder, and now click upload picture and upload that. We're going to go down the line and fill in all the information that YouTube is asking us, so that when we create the channel, it's going to populate all the info that we've typed in here so that the channel looks filled out and full. About the beach and the locals that live there. All right, my website, we will do the Coastal Local, and then add the URL, the coastallocal.com. Fill in any social media links that we have here, and hit save and continue. All right, so now that we can see that it's created our channel, and it looks, so far it looks nice, but it looks very plain. So we have our profile picture up here, but now the important part is that we add channel art. Now when we click on add channel art, the YouTube has very specific dimensions for what the channel art needs to be. So instead of just uploading, some random photo that we happen to like, it's really important that we upload channel art that describes not only what the channel is, welcomes people to the channel, but also gives some people some expectations for what they can expect by visiting their channel as far as content. So it's asking us recommended channel art 2560 by 1440 pixels and a max file size of 6 megabytes. So what I recommend from here is going back to Canva, and we're gonna type in under design anything, YouTube channel art. And so from here, they have tons of pre-made templates already. So we would just have to pick one and then fill out the information in that template. So let's scroll down and see if we can find a good one for what we want to do with the coastal local. And you know what? I think Ocean Adventures might be one that will work for right now. All right, Ocean Adventures. So let's go click on that and change it to the coastal local. And actually, let's split this in half so it's over 3. There we go. And that looks like it is centered on there. Fantastic. All right. So now also I want to add some text. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to duplicate that text and just move it off to the side right here. Keep it in line so it's all aligned. Highlight that. I'm going to go all about the beach. And we're going to reduce that font size to maybe 32. Okay, not bad. We'll right about there. That looks good. Okay, now we're also going to trim that down. All right, so now we are lined up with that. And so then let's duplicate that one more time, because I want to put something on the other side. That talks about when we're going to be releasing videos. New videos every Friday. All right, there we go. I think that looks good. So let's go ahead and hit download. PNG, we will download that PNG. All right, and we'll save that to our coastal local folder. Now let's go back to our channel, and we will select that. We will select that photo and get that uploaded, and let's see what it looks like. All right, so you can see it gives you a preview of what it's going to look like if somebody views it on their desktop, on their TV, or on their mobile device. And overall, it looks pretty good. Everything's in view, nothing's getting cut off. And so now when somebody visits the channel, they're going to see, okay, obviously this channel has been branded. The brand, this business, has done a good job in putting in the effort to brand their channel. All right, just adjust the crop. I don't think I need to adjust the crop. I think that looks actually pretty good. So now that's going to save it, and it's going to upload that channel art to there. And now we have a preview of what it looks like. Now you'll also see that in the corner over here, when we put in our website, that has been added right here. We can add more to that later. But overall, we have 0 uploads, videos, playlists, channels, discussion, about. When we click on about, that's going to be what we filled in earlier for as far as the description. Here we can add for business inquiries. If we want to add our email, hello@thecoastallocal.com. All right, and as far as location, we can go down to the United States, and any more links that we would want to add, we can add right here. But for right now, we don't need to add any more. All right, so now our channel is set up. We have all of our graphics in place. We have all of our company info in place on the channel. So now in the next video, we can start looking at the kinds of videos that we want to start uploading to our YouTube channel. Make sure you stick around, click the next video, and I'll see you in the next video.